Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can choose a camera in 2024. So the first one that you can do, you can define your needs and budget. You can choose your photography style first. Are you interested in portrait, landscape, wildlife, street photography, or a mix? And you can also define your skill level first. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or advanced photographer? And the budget, you can determine how much you are willing to spend on the camera and lenses. And the second one is the camera types. The first one is the digital single lens reflex or DSLR. It offers optical viewfinders and interchangeable lenses. It's ideal for those who want precise manual control and a classic feel. Or the second one is mirrorless. It's compact and lightweight with electronic viewfinders and advanced features like 4K video recording and fast autofocus. And the third one is compact. It's easy to use and portable, suitable for casual photography. And the fourth one is the bridge. It combines feature of this DSLR and compact cameras, offering a zoom lens and manual controls. And the third is the key consideration. You can consider the sensor size, like large sensors capture more light, resulting in better image quality, especially in low condition. And also the megapixel, the autofocus, video capabilities, and battery life. A long lasting battery is essential, especially for travel and outdoor photography. And the fourth one is the popular camera recommendation for 2024 is for beginners. I suggest you to for the Canon EOS R10 or Nikon ZFC. And for the enthusiast, I recommend you the Sony A7 IV and the Fujifilm X-T5. And for professional, I recommend you the Nikon Z9 and the Canon EOS R5. So I hope the simple tips will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like, leave a comment, and also click on thanks. Bye.